In a quiet apartment lived Meera, a gentle woman with a kind smile, but an empty heart. Her husband, Arjun, was always busy and spoke little. Each night, she sat alone by the window, wondering when love had become so silent. Every morning, Ravi, the garbage collector, went door to door with his cart, working quietly, respectfully. He often noticed the people he served, who smiled, who frowned, who cared. One day, Meera told her friend Asha, "I feel invisible in my own home." Asha replied softly, "Write your pain on paper and throw it away. Let the garbage carry it." That night, Meera wrote, "I wish he would just talk to me once with love." She folded it and dropped it into the bin. Next morning, Ravi found the small paper ball. On one side, he saw only the words, "I wish." Curiosity made him unfold it. He read the lines slowly, recognized her handwriting, and felt a pull in his heart. That evening, he quietly returned her lost scarf to Arjun, saying, "Sir, Madam dropped this near the stairs." Arjun took it upstairs and for the first time in months spoke gently to Meera. She smiled that night and wrote again, "I wish he would smile once, like before." Ravi read it. The next day, he told Arjun, "Sir, someone left these flowers near your parking spot. Maybe they're for you." Arjun brought them home and without thinking, handed them to Meera. That small act lit her eyes with joy. Later she wrote, "I wish he remembers our anniversary next week." The next morning, Ravi casually mentioned, "Sir, many men are purchasing gifts early this week, maybe birthdays or anniversaries." That evening, Arjun returned with a cake, and Meera felt her world come alive again. Day by day, her letters continued, and somehow, her wishes came true. Through small things Ravi did quietly, without ever being seen. Then one morning, a neighbor shouted, "This cleaner broke my flower vase." The manager scolded Ravi, "Pay for it, or leave." Ravi stood helpless. He had no money. Before anyone could speak, Meera stepped out and said calmly, "I'll pay for it." It was an accident. The others walked away murmuring. As Ravi bent to pick up the glass, Meera noticed a crumpled paper near his trolley. Her own handwriting. The note she had thrown that morning. She froze, watching him unfold it halfway. Their eyes met. He looked frightened, but she smiled gently. Now she knew. He was the silent helper behind every letter and every smile. That evening, she called him near the gate, handed him a small box and said, "This belonged to my younger brother. He passed away years ago. You reminded me of him." The same quiet goodness. Inside was a simple silver watch. Ravi held it carefully, eyes wet. "Madam, I can't take this," he whispered. She smiled. "You already earned it." That night, Meera wrote one last note, not of pain, but of thanks. Sometimes the ones who clean our homes also clean our hearts. She kept it in her drawer instead of throwing it away. Downstairs, Ravi looked up once towards her balcony. His faint smile said everything. Kindness has no class or color. It speaks through small acts, through people who expect nothing in return. Sometimes, the purest love comes from those the world never notices. Subscribe to Clarity Mantra for more such stories.